how I bought this 12-unit apartment complex using none of my own money. It was actually listed on the market for $815,000, but I got it under contract for $785,000. I went the traditional route and put 20% down, which is $157,000. And the bank financed the other $628,000, which was 80%. But I didn't use any of my own money, remember? So I used a private lender for that $157,000 20% down payment. He got a preferred interest rate of 7% annualized every single month from the cash flow. Here's how I got him all his money back. After 2 years of owning the property, it went up quite a bit in value because we got rents up to market rent and we got efficient with the expenses. No, that doesn't mean we didn't take care of our tenants. We took better care of our tenants. After 2 years of increasing the equity by increasing the net income, we took the property to a local bank and it appraised for $990,000. So the bank wrote us a check for 80% of that $990,000, which was $792,000. So that new $792,000 loan replaced the old loan, which got paid down to $620,000. And we got a check written for the difference, a refinance, and that check difference was $172,000. We took that $172,000 check and paid back our private lenders $157,000 plus that $15,000 in interest. So the private lenders paid off. I have a new mortgage on it, but my rent more than covers the mortgage and other owning expenses because my money's cheaper because I'm not paying 7% to the private lender. I'm only paying 4% to the bank. I've done that 5 times. I'm going to do it a lot more. So make sure to like this video and follow me if you want to learn from all the crazy stuff I'm doing.